So when renovating a kitchen, you like to start with a mood board first to create an overall look and feel of the space.
So choose a design, theme and concept and select all of your finishes around that.
So we chose the gunmetal tapware throughout the kitchen, and then we decided to start choosing the other statement pieces like the gorgeous stone and the beautiful mosaics to complement the tapware.
So the next step is designing the space and layout. So if you are renovating on a budget, the best way to save money is to keep your fixtures in the same spot, and that may include your electrical or your plumbing.
That's exactly right. But if, however, your layout isn't functional, then it's time for a change. Just a hot tip when planning your layout of your kitchen, you like to have your fridge, dishwasher and pantry all in a working proximity to make it overall functional.
So once you've decided your layout, the best thing to do is have it drawn up in a floor plan so you can hand it over to your trades.
Next stage of your project is the demolition stage, so you want to ensure all your plumbing and electrical is disconnected by a qualified tradesperson.
So remove everything from your space that you are planning to get rid of,
such as tiles, cabinetry and appliances.
So the next step is your electrical and plumbing rough-in. It's really important to communicate to your trades where you want everything laid out, as this could be a really costly fix down the track.
Hot tip, you want to make sure you plan out your PowerPoint locations so you can have your appliances in the right position.
Now that your old cabinetry is out, it's time for your new cabinetry to come in.
It's time to measure and install the stone once all the cabinets have been installed.
Next up is tiling and painting.
And finally, it's plumbing and electrical fit-off time. So your plumber will install all your hardware and your electrician will come in and fit off all your lighting.
Now all the major steps are done, it's time for the finishing touches.